Hey there, welcome back to yet another Finance Zoo video. In today's highly anticipated episode, I'm delving into a burning question that's on everyone's mind. Is Dave Ramsey still right about the housing market in 2023? As the housing market continues to evolve, it's crucial to examine the insights and predictions of renowned experts like Dave Ramsey.
That we predicted exactly what has happened. Now, we don't always get it right, but we were using data, not emotions, to actually figure out what's going on.
Join me as I analyze the current landscape, dissect market trends, and uncover the truth behind Dave Ramsey's perspective. As per Dave Ramsey's perspective, relying on data and research rather than emotions when predicting the housing market is sound advice. By utilizing data-driven analysis and conducting thorough research, we can make more informed decisions with a higher likelihood of success. However, it is essential to acknowledge that even with data, there is always a level of uncertainty involved in making predictions. To navigate this uncertainty, here are some practical tips. 1. Educate yourself. Take the time to understand the housing market and its dynamics. Stay updated on market trends, economic indicators, and relevant news. This knowledge will help you make more informed decisions. 2. Conduct market research. Dive into the specifics of the local housing market you're interested in. Analyze historical data, sales trends, supply and demand dynamics, and price fluctuations. This research will provide insights into the market's behavior and potential future trends. 3. Seek professional advice. Consider consulting with experienced real estate agents, financial advisors, or market analysts who deeply understand the housing market. Their expertise can provide valuable insights and guide you in making informed decisions. 4. Diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your real estate investments across different locations, property types, and price ranges. This strategy can help mitigate risks and maximize potential returns. 5. Maintain a long-term perspective. Real estate is a long-term investment. Instead of being overly concerned with short-term market fluctuations, focus on the long-term potential for growth and stability. Patience and a long-term perspective can help you weather market uncertainties. 6. Monitor economic indicators. Keep an eye on key economic indicators such as interest rates, employment rates, inflation, and GDP growth. These factors can significantly influence the housing market and provide insights into its future direction. Keep in mind that data and research are valuable, but no prediction is foolproof. Unforeseen events can impact markets. Approach real estate investment with understanding, realistic expectations, and adaptability. Combine these strategies with discipline and patience to navigate the housing market confidently and increase your chances of success.
You can't find a house in a lot of markets, so you have not seen prices crash. You've seen them steadily increase. We said in the year 2023 you were going to see a 2 to 7% increase in prices nationwide, and that is about what we're going to see.
Dave Ramsey correctly pointed out that the current housing market reflects a high demand for houses coupled with a limited supply. This situation has resulted in steady price increases rather than a crash. Ramsey's prediction of a 2 to 7% nationwide increase in housing prices for 2023 seems to be accurate. However, it's essential to keep in mind that the housing market is unpredictable, and various factors can influence its performance. Despite the steady price growth, monitoring the market's dynamics remains important. Are we in a housing bubble? People everywhere are wondering if we're facing a housing bubble. You've probably heard the rumors, but fear not. It doesn't seem like that's the case right now. Yes, home values surged after the COVID-19 impact, but things have started to cool down since mid-2022. Instead of a crash, we see single-digit annual growth and even slight declines in certain markets. The housing market remains intriguing, but there are no signs of a bubble bursting yet. Here's the scoop. A housing bubble forms when factors like low interest rates, easy credit access, speculation, and overbuilding come into play. As prices soar at a breakneck pace, the belief in eternal growth sparks a buying frenzy, driving up demand and prices. But beware of the turning point. When demand wanes and housing supply surges, prices begin to take a tumble. Cue mortgage defaults, foreclosures, and an overflow of unsold homes. A recipe for a full-blown housing market crash. Stay in the know and ahead of the game, folks. Knowledge is your best ally in this ever-changing market. In 2023, Dave Ramsey's advice remains relevant. Waiting and saving for a larger down payment is better than rushing into buying an unaffordable house. While the housing market has softened, there is still a shortage of real estate in most cities, which continues to drive up prices. The supply and demand dynamics need to shift for prices to decrease, but with limited inventory and fewer builders constructing speculative homes, prices remain on an upward trend. You can expect a nationwide increase of 2 to 7% in home prices, reflecting the actual value of homes rather than inflated prices. Dave Ramsey's predictions are rooted in data, not emotions. We must rely on data to understand the market and make informed decisions rather than letting emotions guide our choices. Remember, the housing market is complex and factors can change. Stay informed, monitor market trends, and consult with trusted professionals when making real estate decisions. Combining data-driven analysis with a rational approach allows you to navigate the housing market wisely and make sound financial choices.
People buying like they've lost their dadgum minds. This is reasonable people buying properties at reasonable prices. You're going to see that number. You put a house on the market for $300,000, expect to get an offer, of $280,000 and that you're going to negotiate.
Yeah.
And expect to sit there for 90 to 120 days to sell the house, and expect that if your house is ugly and dirty, it's not going to sell.
Well, when it comes to the question of whether it will be cheaper to buy a house in 2023, there are mixed opinions, my fellow finance enthusiasts. While home prices may not be significantly cheaper than in recent years, they are unlikely to experience sudden and drastic increases or decreases. According to National Association of Realtors experts, home prices are projected to increase by 0.3% compared to 2022. On the other hand, Freddie Mac and the National Association of Home Builders expect home prices to drop by 0.2% or up to 15%. However, there are no indications of rapid declines, and minor price fluctuations should not heavily influence your plans. Now, my fellow finance enthusiasts, let's talk real estate and how Dave Ramsey's advice can set you on the path to success. First, buying reasonably priced properties is a golden rule in this ever-changing market. When listing your house, remember to set a fair price and be ready for some negotiation action. Those skills are essential to sealing the deal. But wait, there's more. Investing in cleaning and sprucing up your home can attract potential buyers like bees to honey, making your selling process a breeze. Remember, the housing market is constantly evolving, so wise decision-making is your secret weapon. By following Dave Ramsey's advice, you can confidently ride out market fluctuations. Stay calm, avoid the frenzy, and make savvy investment choices. Interest rates may be on the rise, but fear not. A healthy residential real estate market can still thrive at around 6%. Yep, you heard it right. History proves that. Dave Ramsey's a pro at accurate predictions and does it by relying on data, not emotions. His advice to wait, save for a larger down payment, and buy properties at reasonable prices is rock solid for 2023. So get ready to secure your financial future with Ramsey's guidance. Save up for that sweet down payment, make smart purchases, and be patient during negotiations. It's time to turn those dreams into reality. Keep your eyes on the prize, stay informed, and let data guide your decisions. With Ramsey by your side, you've got this. Happy investing, everyone. Let's rock the housing market in 2023 with Dave Ramsey's timeless wisdom as the ultimate compass, my fellow finance enthusiasts. It's our ticket to making those wise investment moves. Incorporating Dave Ramsey's practical tips into your real estate journey can pave the way to a bright financial future. Waiting for the right moment, diligently saving for that down payment, seizing reasonably priced properties, and mastering negotiations. It's the winning formula for success in the housing market. What do you think about this topic? Let me know in the comments section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Finance Soon channel. I'll see you in the next video.